Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this smart water timer. This is a really neat water timer because it actually can be controlled from your phone, your iPad, anything like that, just through Wi-Fi. So to hook it up, you actually have this. You do have to have 4 AA batteries, and then you put this on with this nice brass fitting. So that's a nice thing for durability, and you can control 2 separate hoses. You can set them through 10 different programs each. So that is 20 different programs that this will enable you to be able to do without having to go outside and turn on your hose. You can just tell it from inside. It actually works with Alexa. You have your instruction manual here. You have some plumber's tape and some extra fittings so that it does come with. And then you have your little hub to be able to use from inside the house so it works for a longer range. And then another little rubber gasket. So I'm going to hook up the hoses here and show you how it works with the phone. I've now got the hose hooked up to valve 1, and here's the app right here that you can see all of the different things that it can do. So you have valve 1 and valve 2. You can either manually go up and press the button on there. You can just click it on here, and there's your water. If I wanted to turn it back off, you can turn it back off from there. You can set a time limit. You can have it a cyclical time to where it then goes every so often for different times. You have your records. You say when the next time it goes. You can actually tell it there's going to be rain this week, so delay your thing for 3 days and then it'll turn back on. It tells you your current time. This is a really neat device that will allow you to be able to control your garden without having to remember it all the time. So if I did want to come out here, I can also just come out and press this button and turn it on and off as well. And this reads, like I said, just through your Wi-Fi. So if you weren't home and you were out and you said, oh, I need to water the garden, or it's raining now, let me stop the hose, I can just come in here and control that all from my app. This is an easy to set up device that would work for any home that is needing to have garden or watered. It's just a nice way to have it all condensed into one area. You do need to plug in the hub inside, so that way it will connect to the device and into your Wi-Fi system.